Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Hey, this is Bob. I'm coming to you from my man cave. This is my 2020 Toyota Rav4, and I like to go car camping sometime. So I want to make a sleeping platform for this Rav4. Make it real easy. The rear seat of the Rav4 2020 does fall down. However, unfortunately, it's not completely flat. The rear is approximately 6 inches taller than the front is probably 6 inches taller than the rear. So, and also, unless you're about 5 feet 5 inches, you're not going to be able to lay flat because your head will be sticking out over there. So what you need is a platform. Now I want to make it as simple as I can, just a sleeping platform. So this is what I got. I got this plank of half-inch plywood, about 75 inches by maybe 23 inches, and I cut it near the center, not quite, and connected them with piano hinges. This is a 12-inch piano hinge. It'll be better if I can find a 18-inch. So when you don't need it, you can fold it up and store in the trunk, back part, very easily. Now when you need it, you can just unfold it and lay it over the bed. So just lay it down like this, and then put your mattress on top. I'll show you. Here it is. My sleeping platform completed. Of course, the head is going to be 6 inches taller, and it looks taller than that because my driveway is a little bit slanted. But 6 inches is good because for those people with sleep apnea or acid regurgitation, actually elevating your head of the bed will help a little bit. For people who snores a lot, that helps too. So I'm in my sleeping platform now. I'm laying flat. I'm 5 feet 10. Very comfortable. Thank you for watching.